I'm Dylan Johnson back here with your Iowa weather. Looking here right now here in Ames, we got 41 degrees with clear skies. A little windy out there with west-northwest winds at 14 miles an hour. Looking here at the current conditions here across this entire state, we got 43 in Ottumwa, 39 out here in Davenport, 43 out in Sioux City. Looking here at our highs, gonna jump down here to the southeast, take a little look at Hurricane Matthew. It's getting pretty close to that Florida coastline there down towards Melbourne. Lows tonight, we're looking at 46 up here in Sioux City, 49 in Council Bluffs, 47 up in Fort Dodge, 49 in Des Moines, 49 in Ottumwa, 48 over here in Davenport. It's a pretty comfortable night all across the state out there. However, I expect a little bit more snow than that. We're getting 6 to 12 inches all the way from the northwest corner of Iowa, about down to the Highway 20 I-35 corridor. Looking here at our highs for today, we've got a high of 49 up here in Sioux City, 52 over here in Des Moines, 54 in Ottumwa, and 49 out here in Davenport. Looking here at our day planner for tomorrow, temperatures are going to be dropping all the way throughout the day. We got 32 at 8 a.m., 29 at noon, and we got 27. And that's going to be snow all day tomorrow. Have more about that coming up later. Well, looking here across the nation, we've got some pretty warm temperatures here up across the Midwest, but we're going to start out here in the Northeast. 33 degrees right now in New York, 22, and even some snow up in Syracuse right now. Looking down here to the Southeast, we got 71 down here in Miami, 57 out here in Little Rock with a 63 over in Dallas. Looking ahead now to the Southwest, we got 60 degrees down here around Santa Monica, 61. They're expecting a little rain down here later in this week. We'll have a look at that here in a few seconds. Looking up here in the Northwest, we got 51 up in Seattle, 47 in Boise, and also a 51 over here in Billings. Looking here at the Midwest, we have a 55 right now in Pierre. We have 64 in North Platte. And a 59 in Des Moines, pretty warm for this time of year across the Midwest. Looking here at our watches and warnings, not much going on here across the Midwest, but we're going to take a look out here down in Southwest California. We got some flash flood watches down here due to that incoming rain. They're expecting quite a bit of rain down there in the coming days. So looking here now at our future casts here across the nation, we got this rain coming in here across the West Coast. But take a look here across the Midwest. Clear skies tonight starting at 7 p.m. Taking a look ahead here, we got some rain and snow moving in around 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. We got some snow up here in Nevada. Here in the California mountains, we got some snow. Then south of San Francisco, right between San Francisco and Los Angeles, we have some rain moving in. And that rain is just going to stall out there and just keep on moving into that same area. And still, taking a look here across the Midwest, we still have those clear skies even entering into Saturday morning. Looking out here out east, it's even clearing out there. We're going to see some above average temperatures here for the next couple days across the nation. And you still have this rain down here in the southwest United States, along with some snow still out in the mountain regions. Taking a look at the highs tomorrow across the nation, we got 58 in San Francisco, a 67 down in Phoenix. A warm 78 degrees down there in Dallas. Usually not that warm down there this time of year. Then we got a 54 up in Minneapolis. Usually they still have snow on the ground about this time of year. Looking here at our forecast for a home of Chicago Cubs spring training, Mesa, Arizona. We got a 72 tomorrow, and we got some rain coming in this weekend in Mesa. However, we have some warm temperatures coming in there next week for the start of spring training games. Looking here at your 7-day forecast, we got 40 degrees on Wednesday, 54 Thursday, warming up into the 60s for the rest of the week with a chance of rain on Monday. So looking at our lows for tonight, we got 47 in Sioux City, a nice warm 54 down in Council Bluffs, 56 in Des Moines, 52 in Marshalltown, 59 in Davenport. So looking at the rainfall amounts across the state, progressing through the night, we're looking at about a half an inch down here in Des Moines, about 35 hundredths in Ames, only 2 hundredths up in Fort Dodge, and really western Iowa's not expecting much at all. Moving ahead here to the current conditions, what it's like out here right now, pretty clear out here in western Iowa, 65 up in Sioux City, 64 in Council Bluffs, 66 out here in Davenport. So pretty nice evening out there across the state. I'm Dylan Johnson, back here with your look across Iowa. Looking up here across northern Iowa, we had some rain move in earlier today. We even had some hail reports up here in northern Iowa. We have 48 right now up in Fort Dodge. We have 57 down in Des Moines. And over in Council Bluffs, we have a toasty 73 degrees. Looking ahead here tomorrow in central Iowa, we have more of the same warm temperatures across the state. Going to be around 61 degrees at 4 o'clock, though we're going to have rain all day. I'll have more about that coming up later. We got 30 for a high in Sioux City, 35 in Council Bluffs, 34 in Fort Dodge, 40 in Des Moines, 49 in Ottumwa. That's the highest temperatures we're going to have during the day, and it's going to drop from the morning all the way down to the afternoon. That's what's going to cause that transition from rain to snow across the state. Looking here at the rain snow right now, we have snow pretty much all the way across northern Iowa until about the I-35 corridor. Just looked at 511 road conditions actually, and all the way, pretty much all the way east to Highway 4, westward, we have partially snow-covered roads north of Highway 30 currently.
Happened to me before,
yeah.
But it was like -10 here, and they couldn't get buses to start, so they had school canceled.
Well, that's not going to be the reason most of the schools up in northern Iowa are canceling tomorrow. With that blizzard warning out, I have a feeling that a lot of those schools are going to be out tomorrow. So
school cancelings are
here at our Futurecast. We're going to have a snowstorm coming in, and it's going to persist through most of the day tomorrow. Actually, we have most of our heavier snow is going to be here across the northwest part of the state.